In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and configure Moltbot or Clawdbot using Quick Start and the OpenAI API. To begin, open the Moltbot or Clawdbot page in your browser. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Quick Start. This area typically includes a ready-to-run command. Go ahead and copy that entire code snippet exactly as it appears. It's designed to handle the setup for you, so you won't need to piece together multiple commands. Next, open your terminal. On most systems, you can find it through your applications or by using a system search. In the terminal window, paste the code you just copied and then press enter. This will kick off the installation process. The script will download the necessary files and configure everything automatically on your computer. Now just wait while it runs. You'll see messages and progress logs. That's normal. It can take a little time to load and complete, especially on the first run, so be patient and let it finish. Avoid closing the terminal or interrupting the process while it's working. When the setup continues into the app's onboarding, you'll be prompted to click Yes on the I understand confirmation. This is typically an acknowledgement of the setup steps or usage notes. After confirming, choose Quick Start. This option streamlines the configuration and ensures recommended defaults are applied. Next, select Reset. This gives you a clean slate, which helps avoid any leftover settings from previous attempts. From there, choose OpenAI as your provider. When prompted, select the OpenAI API key option. You'll be asked to type your OpenAI API key. Enter it carefully and keep it private. Never share it publicly or store it where others can access it. If the interface hides characters as you type, that's intentional for security. After your key is set, you'll choose a model. If you're unsure which one to pick, it's usually safe to start with the recommended default model shown in the list, and you can change it later based on your needs and usage limits. Finally, choose a channel. This is where your bot will operate. Think of it as the place your messages and responses will appear. Pick the channel that matches where you plan to interact, whether that's a local console or a connected workspace. And that's it. You've used Quick Start to install the tool, confirm the setup, reset for a clean configuration, connected OpenAI